Most of the stuff in the universe is invisible. Now that might sound like the opening line to a bad sci-fi movie, but it's actually a fact. Scientists estimate that the universe is made up of 5% of the stuff we can see and interact with. Stars, planets, humans, all that normal stuff we're familiar with makes up just a tiny portion of what's out there. The rest is a mystery. Most of the remaining 95% is an invisible substance called dark matter, which scientists can't see directly, but they know it's there because of its gravitational effects. And then there's dark energy, an even more mysterious force that seems to be accelerating the expansion of the universe. Together, dark matter and dark energy make up 95% of the universe, and yet we know almost nothing about either of them. Here's what we do know. 1. Most of the universe is invisible. As I mentioned before, scientists estimate that only 5% of the universe is made of normal matter, the stuff we see around us every day. About 27% is dark matter and 68% is dark energy. Dark matter doesn't interact with normal matter, light, or any other forms of electromagnetic radiation. That means it's invisible. We can't see it, but we know it's there because of how it affects things. We can see, for example, stars at the edge of galaxies seem to be moving faster than they should based on the amount of normal matter in those galaxies. This suggests there must be some kind of invisible matter providing extra gravity to hold the galaxies together. That invisible stuff is dark matter. 2. Dark matter holds galaxies together. Galaxies spin, and the farther out you are from their centers, the faster they go. If you've ever driven on a highway with several lanes, it's a lot like rush hour traffic. All the cars are going the same direction, but the inner lane moves faster than the outer lanes. The galaxies spin so fast that they should fly apart. All the stars should just fling themselves into outer space, but they don't. An invisible force seems to be pulling everything back towards the center of the galaxy. Scientists think this force is dark matter. It's like an invisible glue that holds galaxies together. 3. Dark energy is accelerating the universe's expansion. The universe is expanding, and not just expanding, it's expanding faster and faster. That's weird because as galaxies move away from each other, they should slow down. There's only so much gravity to go around. But somehow the expansion of the universe is speeding up. Scientists think something called dark energy is responsible, but no one knows exactly how it works. One idea is that dark energy is a kind of anti-gravity that repels other stuff. But if that's the case, why doesn't it push galaxies apart? It's a head-scratcher, for we can't see it, only detect its effects. Dark matter doesn't emit light or any other form of electromagnetic radiation that we can detect. It also doesn't interact with normal matter, so it's invisible to us. But because it has mass, we know it's out there because of how it affects things we can see. For example, when light passes by a galaxy, it warps and bends around the invisible mass of the dark matter. That's called gravitational lensing. It's a little stretch to say we can see dark matter, but we can see its effects on other things. Same goes for dark energy. We can't see it, but we can see how it affects the distant galaxies that are racing away from us. 5. Still one of the biggest cosmic mysteries. Dark matter and dark energy are among the biggest mysteries of our time. Despite decades of searching, no one has directly detected either of them. There have been lots of experiments trying to find dark matter. Some were designed to spot dark energy. So far, none of them have found what they were looking for, but the search continues. Scientists hope that one day they'll be able to answer the question, what is dark matter and dark energy? Answering that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. It's hard to believe that most of the universe is invisible. I mean, just think about it. When you look up in the sky, what you're really seeing is a bunch of empty space. The stars and planets and other stuff we're familiar with are just a tiny part of what's out there. But maybe that's not such a bad thing. Maybe it's better that way. After all, it's the not knowing, the mystery, that's led to some of our greatest discoveries. Who knows what other wonders the universe has in store for us? Now you know a little more about the invisible universe. If you liked this video, stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.